What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I am like exhausted. So tomorrow I've worked a total of 4 out of 5 days, and I am like drained mentally. I mean, I don't even feel like doing homework. Luckily, I'm doing well in school. I can take like a day off from doing homework, and after my shift, do homework on Dividend Warrior Wednesday. I will give people shout out on Twitter, so make sure you follow me on Twitter. But I'm really excited to show you my dividend increases as well as my plans and goals. And by the way, there is a special on M1 Finance. If you click my affiliate link and want to create a fractional share dividend portfolio, we both get $50. So I'm just letting you know that there is a special right now. So this dividend income on E-Trade and M1 Finance is really picking up. And I'm starting to be at a range where I'm very excited, and it's only going to get bigger. Again, I have a goal of $1,000 to $3,000 in monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month my quarterly dividends, which is pretty rational. I'm going to go there. I mean, I'll start being a little bit more aggressive. I know some of you guys have retired on dividends that follow my channel. I will start getting more aggressive after this year once I start my rotations, and I do plan on travel nursing, which I will start throwing money in like crazy into my traditional, my Roth IRA and my dividend portfolio and a little bit of crypto. I'm very excited. But let's check these. Let's check out E-Trade and M1 Finance. Let's check this out right now. Right here on my E-Trade dividend portfolio, my estimated income is $1,782.65. So, it's not guaranteed, but again, each month I'm in just about the $100 range, and it appears this is with monthly dividends, so things are looking pretty good. And again, this is very exciting. So you're seeing December and then January. There's some dividend hikes that I'm getting and dividend increases with a lot of these dividend stocks, which is very exciting. And you're seeing, which I put a lot of money in Arbor Realty Trust. I made $40.54 today. Gain, I made $12.50. In land, I made $2.88. And then here's Conagra Brands. That's tomorrow. I made $9.82. And look at EPR, 1744. So you're seeing the compound really start kicking in a lot of these dividend stocks, which is very exciting. So now I'll show you the rest of my dividend stocks and my dividend income for November. So right here, we have National Health Investors. That's a real estate investment trust. I made $23.80, which is reinvested. EPR Properties, my favorite monthly dividend rate. Well, I'm not going to say my favorite, but it's one of my favorites. Made $17.36. Main Street Capital, which I believe is the best business development company. Again, this is not financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. Disclaimer in my description. I still can't believe I'm awake right now after my crazy shift. I made $14.27. Realty Income, I made $24.11. Dag Industrial, I made $6.81. And USOI, I made a total of $8.47. So I calculated everything, and the amount that I made just by calculating this right now is $150.74, which is reinvested. So that's very promising for my dividend portfolio, that I'm starting to get increases, and that's very exciting. So this is really good with my monthly dividend stocks. Again, I need to get more money in there. My goal is $1,000 to $3,000 a month, my monthly dividend. So I really need to kick it up in these dividend stocks. Hopefully, once I start getting to 100 each, then I'll start being happy with that. So I'm getting there. It's slow. Realty Income's looking pretty strong right now. I mean, making $24.11. So I can't complain. Now let's jump to M1 Finance. Right now with the Death Star, my return is $72. I'm sorry. So right now with the Death Star, I'm at $26,647.63. I earned a total of $1,416.42 in earned dividends. My market gain was 3,917.17. Now again, I bought the dip. I mean, I significantly bought the dip with this pandemic. This is a lot of money I threw in my dividend portfolio during the pandemic, so that's why you're seeing a high return. So, there is a little bit of a balance and a little bit of a correction. That's fine. I mean, I'm a dollar cost average person. I mean, I just keep on putting money in. Now, if I do see a dip or there's, some Dow futures or something that's going down, sure, I'll throw an extra $30, $40 in and see if I can buy something at a cheaper price. So don't get me wrong. If I know there's a big dip, I'm throwing money in. So, that's another thing. Really going after the real estate investment trust. I'm really going after, certain stocks that are high yield dividend stocks, Altria, British American Tobacco, UVV, some of the SIN stocks, and VC and OHI. So those are the big ones I'm going after. So let me show you my dividend income for these guys. So here's some of my activity, and you can see my dividends stocks are buying other stocks, which is really nice with my dividend income. So I can't really say no to that. So AT&T, I made $3.55. BGS, 37 cents plus 11.88. I got UVV at $10.52. Verizon, 18.06. JEPI gave me $1.55. Agree Realty Corporation gave me 46 cents. I cannot wait because I'm going to start getting bigger with these guys. Same with SLG. They got me 91 cents plus 26 cents. OHI got me a total of $22.63. One Oak got me a total of $6.79. And we got British American Tobacco, 1509, which the fee, obviously, Pembina Pipeline, that is the 320 minus 48 cents. I got OPI is $5.01. Remel, which is a covered call ETN with mostly it is a rate. The mortgage rate ETN is I got 76 cents. SMHB, I did sell those guys, but I made a total of $6.50. SLVO, I made 327. GLDI, I made 70 cents. So what I'm thinking about doing, Remel, SMHB, and GLDI and those guys, I may just sell them and put them on my E-Trade dividend portfolio and have them individually so I can start throwing in money and earn monthly dividend income. I have considered doing that with these dividend stocks. I really haven't decided yet, but I like dividend increases with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio, and these guys could be good income covered call ETNs in the future. So I may just throw it on E-Trade, reinvest, and let those guys do their magic individually. So I can start buying these guys individually, each time, 12 or 13 or, get to $50 or so. And then these guys start reinvesting and then buying more. So that's one thing I highly considered with these guys. So that's one plan I may do. So don't be surprised if I sell these four and then just throw it on E-Trade like what I have with USOI. So we have a few things that I want to address. So I calculated everything. I made a total of $264.41, which is really good. I'm almost at the $300 range. And again, this is not including QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD, which is fantastic. So I am making dividend increases. Again, if I can get to 1,000, that would be awesome a month, but that's going to take a while. It's going to take some money being put in. And again, I need to get to 2,000 to 4,000 in quarterly dividends. So again, I'm not even at $30,000, and I'm racking up this amount of dividend income, which makes me excited because the snowball effect is kicking in. My monthly dividend stocks are buying my quarterly dividend stocks. My quarterly dividend stocks are buying my monthly dividend stocks, which make things very exciting. So, I'm looking into a lot of things and a lot of strategies with my dividend stocks, specifically monthly dividends. And I think I'm going to start putting more in Agree Realty Corporation, a lot more in SLG. They have been increasing their dividends. Agree Realty Corporation has a lot of serious potential, and I cannot take these guys lightly at all. I like their compounded annual growth rate. I like the way these guys are acquiring companies is with Agree Realty Corporation. I'm just really excited to see what December plays out. I'm going to be buying. I'm throwing some money in tomorrow. My dividends are starting to buy other dividend stocks, and that makes things extremely exciting. So eventually, once I get to 100,000, 200,000, I'm just going to leave them alone and reinvest. I'm going to try to get to 100 shares of each of them. So if I get to 100 total, that's going to be really serious. And, I can maybe add certain sections. I'm going to have very strong dividend stocks. Again, I have a lot. I have a lot of stocks in here, so I have to, put the brakes on. I made changes with Kinder Morgan. I sold First Energy, and First Energy is a great dividend stock. FE is a symbol. I like the way Kinder Morgan has a higher yield and a higher dividend growth rate, so I pulled the trigger on that one. Could that blow up in my face? Maybe, but First Energy generates a lot of money. Obviously, there's First Energy Stadium with the Browns. So I pulled the trigger on a few things. FE again. Look at that one that I did a video on. But things are very promising, and the future is bright with my dividend portfolio and the Death Star. And you guys have been fantastic on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a good one. I'm going to post a video probably Thursday. I'm going to give a lot of shout outs on Dividend Warrior Wednesday tomorrow after my shift. I am just so mentally drained right now. And I got to deal with it tomorrow. So the good thing is I set the tone early in my classes. And, I'm just ready to start pounding away with my finals and finish strong. Hopefully get an A. May not, but who cares? I'm going to get as many points possible. So you guys take care and have a good one.